this is how I make my Jamaican chocolate tea. So I'm grating the 2 chocolates that I'll be using. Add the cinnamon stick to the water in the pot, coconut milk, grated chocolate, and then we give it a stir and allow it to boil. Add some cinnamon powder, add some nutmeg, vanilla, and a toops of salt. So I turn off the stove and it's time to sweeten our chocolate tea. I'm using some brown sugar and condensed milk. We strain it and allow it to cool properly before drinking it. It's smelling so good and tastes good. Enjoy.